The drawing tools, editing tools. We've been making changes to the routes and calling it adjustment. We were really editing them, but we weren't using the editing tools. The editing tools are undo, cut, erase, and close. The undo tool deletes the last action performed and is one level of undo. Cut deletes sections of the route segment one at a time, beginning with the most recently placed connector dot. The erase tool deletes a player's entire route and deselects the player. Use close to hide the drawing tools. To show them again, click Open Drawing Tools in the toolbar. We'll edit the routes for players H and Z using the editing tools. Select player H. Remember that the route is composed of segments with connector dots on each end. With that in mind, click Cut. The program remembers what was added last and cuts it. The last connector dot in the route, the arrow, is cut or deleted. Click Cut again to continue deleting one connector dot at a time. Once the secondary route is cut, the program knows the curve is next. Sometimes instead of editing a route, it may be easier to delete it and start over. Click Erase and the entire route is deleted. Notice that while the player is still selected, we can click Undo and the last action is undone. If we refresh the screen or do any other action, undo will not work. There's one level of undo. For this play, let's do some final editing. Save a play. The play can be saved at any time. Some coaches prefer to draw the entire play and then save it, but we've been working for quite a while and this is a good time to stop and save the file. Click Save a Formation. This dialog box is the same one we saw before, except now there are offense, front, and coverage names in the name fields. We didn't make any changes to the front and coverage, so we'll leave them alone. Click the offense. Using the naming convention we discussed in working with file names, enter CO for Cougars, A Colts Right for the formation, and Red Rover for the play. But again, use whatever works best for you. Click OK. A Colts Right is still in the offense list to use again, but now we have a play applied to it and saved under a new name.